Modern warfare has entered a new era. In the growing conflict between the United States, Israel, and Iran, the battlefield is no longer defined by tanks or trenches. Instead, the war is being fought with stealth aircraft, long-range missiles, swarms of drones, and powerful air defense systems. From high-tech American bombers to Iran's massive missile arsenal, each side is deploying some of the most advanced weapons in modern military history. In this video, we'll explore 15 of the most important weapons shaping this conflict and how they are transforming the battlefield of the Middle East.
The F-35I Adir is one of the most advanced stealth fighters in the world and forms the backbone of Israel's modern air power. Developed from the American F-35 Lightning II, the Adir variant is specially modified for Israeli operations. First introduced in the mid-2010s, it combines stealth technology, advanced sensors, and precision strike capabilities. The aircraft can penetrate heavily defended airspace, detect targets from long distances, and launch precision weapons with remarkable accuracy. However, the aircraft is extremely expensive to produce and maintain. Despite the cost, the F-35I gives Israel a significant technological advantage in modern air warfare.
The B-2 Spirit is one of the most iconic stealth bombers ever built. Developed by the United States during the Cold War, it entered service in 1997 and remains one of the most powerful strategic aircraft in the world. Its unique flying wing design allows it to evade radar and penetrate deep into enemy territory. The B-2 can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons and is capable of striking targets thousands of kilometers away without detection. However, the aircraft is also one of the most expensive military machines ever produced. Despite its cost, the B-2 remains a key strategic weapon in long-range precision warfare. The F-15I RAAM is Israel's long-range strike fighter, derived from the American F-15 Eagle platform. Introduced in the late 1990s, it was specifically designed to conduct deep strike missions far beyond Israel's borders. The aircraft combines powerful engines, heavy weapon capacity, and advanced avionics. Unlike stealth aircraft, the F-15I relies on speed, range, and payload to deliver devastating precision strikes. It can carry a wide range of guided bombs and air-to-ground missiles. While it lacks stealth capabilities, its reliability and striking power make it one of the most formidable strike aircraft in the region. The Tomahawk cruise missile is one of the most widely used precision weapons in modern warfare. Developed by the United States in the 1980s, it is designed to strike targets at extremely long distances with high accuracy. The missile flies at low altitude, following the terrain to avoid radar detection. It is commonly launched from naval ships and submarines, allowing forces to strike targets without entering enemy airspace. While extremely effective, Tomahawk missiles are expensive and are typically reserved for high-value strategic targets. The AGM-158 JASM is a stealthy air-launched cruise missile designed for precision strikes against heavily defended targets. Developed by the United States in the early 2000s, it features low radar visibility and advanced navigation systems. The missile can travel hundreds of kilometers and accurately strike strategic infrastructure, such as radar stations, command centers, and missile sites. Its stealth characteristics make it extremely difficult to detect before impact. However, the missile's complexity also makes it relatively expensive compared to conventional guided weapons. Iron Dome is Israel's famous short-range missile defense system designed to intercept rockets and artillery shells. Developed in the early 2010s, it uses radar to detect incoming threats and calculates whether they will strike populated areas. If necessary, interceptor missiles are launched to destroy the threat in midair. The system has achieved an interception success rate often reported above 90%. However, each interceptor missile is costly, which can create challenges when facing large numbers of incoming rockets. David's Sling is a medium-range missile defense system developed jointly by Israel and the United States. It was designed to intercept tactical ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and large rockets. Introduced in the 2010s, it fills the gap between the Iron Dome and the long-range Arrow defense systems. Using advanced radar and guidance technology, David's Sling can intercept threats traveling at extremely high speeds. While highly capable, the system relies on sophisticated and expensive interceptor missiles. Arrow 3 is Israel's long-range ballistic missile defense system designed to intercept missiles outside the Earth's atmosphere. Developed in cooperation with the United States, it became operational in the late 2010s. Unlike traditional missile defenses, Arrow 3 destroys incoming ballistic missiles in space before they re-enter the atmosphere. This capability provides Israel with a crucial layer of protection against long-range missile threats. However, the technology behind Arrow 3 is extremely advanced and costly. THAAD, or Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, is a U.S. missile defense system designed to intercept ballistic missiles during their final phase of flight. It uses powerful radar and interceptor missiles capable of destroying incoming threats at high altitude. THAAD has been deployed in several strategic regions around the world to protect military bases and allies. While extremely effective against ballistic missiles, the system requires complex logistics and significant financial investment. The Shahed 136 is a loitering munition drone developed by Iran. It is designed to fly long distances and strike targets by crashing into them with an explosive payload. The drone has a relatively simple design and is inexpensive compared to traditional missiles. This allows it to be launched in large numbers to overwhelm air defenses. However, its relatively slow speed makes it vulnerable to interception if detected early. The Fateh 110 is a short-range ballistic missile developed by Iran. First introduced in the early 2000s, it uses solid fuel and a mobile launch platform, allowing it to be deployed quickly. The missile is known for its relatively high accuracy compared to earlier ballistic missile designs. With a range of several hundred kilometers, it can strike military bases and strategic infrastructure across the region. However, its range is limited compared to longer-range missile systems. The Ghadr missile is a medium-range ballistic missile developed by Iran as an improved version of the Shahab 3. It features a longer range and improved guidance systems. The missile is capable of striking targets more than 1,000 kilometers away, making it a key component of Iran's strategic missile arsenal. However, like many ballistic missiles, it remains vulnerable to advanced missile defense systems. The Ahmad missile is an advanced ballistic missile developed by Iran and believed to be an improved version of the Shahab 3. It features a maneuverable re-entry vehicle that improves its accuracy compared to earlier missile designs. This capability allows it to strike specific targets more precisely. Despite these improvements, the missile still faces challenges against modern interception systems.
The Sevam Khordad is a mobile air defense system developed by Iran. It is designed to detect and intercept aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. The system uses radar and guided interceptor missiles to engage targets at medium ranges. It gained international attention after reportedly being used to shoot down a high-altitude surveillance drone. However, its capabilities remain limited compared to the most advanced Western air defense systems. The Bavar 373 is Iran's long-range air defense system designed to counter advanced aircraft and ballistic missile threats. Often compared to the Russian S-300 system, it uses powerful radar and long-range interceptor missiles. The system was developed domestically after international sanctions limited Iran's access to foreign defense technologies. While it represents a significant technological achievement for Iran, its true effectiveness in large-scale combat remains uncertain.
Modern warfare is no longer defined by a single weapon. It is a complex system where stealth aircraft, precision missiles, drones, and air defense networks all work together to control the battlefield. In the conflict between the United States, Israel, and Iran, these technologies are not just tools of war, they are shaping the balance of power in the modern world. Some weapons strike from thousands of kilometers away. Others defend entire cities in seconds, and some operate silently, unseen, until it is too late. But as technology continues to evolve, one question remains. Is the future of war becoming more precise or more unpredictable? If you found this video interesting, let us know which weapon impressed you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more military history and modern warfare content.